Good morning, everyone. I got some things that I need to take care of in this video here. First of all, I want to thank YouTube for not disqualifying my video, just taking the music out of it. That was very nice of you. Thank you. And second thing is, we got a letter from the Spanish lady. No, I can't show you the address because she is really well, we don't show each other addresses anyway. Anyway, she wants me to do something else for her, and we'll get into that probably in a couple weeks or so. And then, yes, this is my lockpick case. And then the final, you see that cut on my finger? You see that cut on my thumb? I have picked with Mr. Crawley so much in the past 3 days that he has just about wore me out. And to be quite frank with you guys, it is an awesome pick. It does work very well. And we got a package from Mr. Albert here. I guess he wants me to, I'm going to make sure there's no addresses on there. Albert wants me to make sure that y'all visit his YouTube channel, and so I'm happy to comply with that. Albert is an awesome guy, not only because he sends locks out to people, but he also deals with the Silver Bullet disc detainer lock pick. If I had the money, I would involve myself, but I just don't, man. I don't have that kind of dough to be spreading around. So, we all know Albert's stuff here. Let's see if he sent me a card too, man. Alright, dude. Alright. I always save everything that people send me, man. He sent me some Paclock stickers, just awesome. I save all this stuff, man. Anyway, I'm going to add that to the stuff that everybody else has sent me about don't pick other people's lock, idiot. It's a good way to go to jail. And let's see what he says in the letter here. Congratulations, you get a Paclock. And Albert, I appreciate you, fella. Of course, we all follow Albert on Twitter too, man. Locksport _OK. Facebook, Albert LaBelle. Anyway, that is awesome. I always save everything people send me, man. Let's see Albert's lock here. Let's see how he was opening it up. Oh, I guess he was opening it up right here. Oh, we don't want to. There you go. Yeah, man. Ooh, baby. Oh, he put his cards in here, man. Cool, bro. I've been wanting one of these cards for a long time. Yes, sir. I'm gonna put that with the rest of the stuff. Awesome stuff. Wow. Is this the Pro? It's got the little thing back here. I don't know. Let's see what the keys say. Let's see here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. That sounds fun. And the grease is still there. Wow. I wonder if this is the Pro or not. They were talking about this lock here a couple of days ago on YouTube. You see there how the code is 20567, which means it's pinned with 5 pins instead of 6. But it shows 6 on the key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, man. Awesome stuff. Nice smooth action. Now, let's see what Mr. Crawley will do. Where's my... Let me see here. We're going to try it and see, man. Let me move all this junk out of the way. We don't know until we take Mr. Crawley and give it a test drive. Wow. I assume that there's security pins in here. That's what it feels like, because it's binding up pretty good. Wow, man. This is awesome. Wow, let's see if we can pick her then. If she don't want to rake, let's see if we can pick her. Wow. Oh, we're already on 7 minutes. Holy shit. Let's go to me favorite little pick here. See if we can do something different. This is gonna be a long ass video, man. Wow, these brand new pins, they stick, bro. Wow. Wow, that was pretty hardcore. Everything is loose. I don't feel nothing in there. Something is stuck, man. Man, there's some crunchy ass shit. Wow. I could have made 2 videos, I think, out of this. sure I could have. Wow, this is really fun. See, that's the difference between a brand new lock These pins are super sharp. Wow, I'm really digging this. I'm going to shut the video off at 15 because I don't want to go crazy here. Wow, this is fun. My heart is actually ticking. This is fantastic. Wow, this is fantastic. Wow. We're going to go down to a 15 and see what we get. Is that a, where's my little 15 at? Alright. We'll try a 15. I don't feel nothing binding. Wow. Wow. We're getting on 15 minutes, folks. This is awesome. I want to thank Albert for definitely giving me something that I can fight with. This is most awesome. And I appreciate it, Albert. I'll talk to you guys later.